Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to post on TikTok for everyone to see. Okay, first of all, we can open our TikTok application on our phone and let's just create a post on TikTok. We can click on this plus button to start creating a post. And for example, I'm going to upload a photo from my device. I'm going to upload this photo. Okay, and if you want to make a post on TikTok for everyone to see, you can go to the TikTok settings right here and make sure that you select everyone so everyone can view your post. And after that, we can go back and we can click on next right here and just wait for a moment guys. Okay, and you can click on post to post your TikTok content. And I guess that's how you can post on TikTok for everyone to see. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.